Hello, Lions. I'm going to show you how to access your historical investigation and presentation for Miss Jurczak information. You're going to go to readylibrary.com. You're going to click on historical investigation and presentation for Mrs. Jurczak. The first link right here is going to be the link to your project sheet. It's going to give you all the information about your project, including some of the links that I'm going to show you on the library website, but you can click here to go to the Mac and VIA group for research, and then there will be a link right here to this video helper as well that you can go back and watch. The video helper will also appear down here, and there will be a link here for that. Whenever you click on the second click here, that's going to open up Mac and VIA. You will log into Mac and VIA using your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday. Ms. Jurczak, you can log into Mac and VIA using your ADS logon. It's the same logon that you use to log onto your computer. I'm just going to show you a couple of things really quickly. If you click this plus sign, this is going to give you another link to the project sheet and then also the topic choices. So if you want help with any of the spelling of these things, you can always just copy and paste these search terms into any of the databases that I am about to show you. The first one I want to show you is ImageQuest. ImageQuest is one that you might want to use if you're going to be using any images in your project. If you use any images in your project, you do need to provide a citation, and so this is a really easy way to get those. So you can type in your search term right up here in the box, and then let's say I want to use this image right here. I can click on it. I can drag and drop this image into any Google slideshow or Google Doc or anything like that, and then I can click right here on this cite button, choose MLA, and then I can copy and paste this entire citation into my works cited page. So it's a really easy way to get images and provide the citations, because anytime you're doing an assignment for a grade and you're using images, you need to make sure that A, you have the rights to use them, and that B, you provide the citation to your teacher. So that is the ImageQuest database right there. So I wanted to show that one to you first. Now I'm going to show you where you should start, and the order that I believe that you should do your research in these databases based on the level of information that you're going to be seeking. So I would start right here with Britannica School, and I would do this one first when I'm looking for my information. And you can come up here and you can type in your search term. And then right here, you can always adjust the level of the results. So you can switch it over here to level 1 or level 2 or level 3, depending on what level suits you best. So you can click right here and just look at the articles and see if that level is going to be the best for you. And so the citations for the articles in any of the Britannica School, no matter what level you're in, are going to be right here. You're going to click this little cite button, make sure it says MLA right here, and then you're just going to copy and paste this citation right here right into your works cited page. Now you can also use any of the images that are in these articles. If you click on the image, again you'll see this little cite button right here, so you can drag and drop this image into any kind of document, and then you can click cite and copy and paste the actual image citation for the image. So if you use the information from this article, you'll want to use this citation, and if you're going to use an image, you'll want to make sure that you choose the image citation. Okay, so very important that you use all the correct citations. And if you have any questions or problems with this, you can always come and ask me, and I will be happy to help you out. So I highly recommend starting your research here in Britannica School. The next place that I might suggest you go is World Book Online. So Britannica School and World Book Online are both online encyclopedias, and they're going to give you a little bit of information about a lot of different topics. Now here you are going to probably want to choose the student one, and so you can click right here, and then you can put in your search term. And you can click right here on the article, and so the article is going to just give you some information. In World Book, your citations are always going to be at the very, very bottom, so you will copy and paste this MLA citation into your works cited page, and then you can use any of the information in this article. Now, World Book does not they have the images here, which you can drag and drop, and then the image, I don't think you can see it, down here. This is going to be just a description of the image. It's not a citation. So I don't recommend using the images from World Book because they don't provide a citation. But pretty much any of the images that you're going to find in here you can also find in ImageQuest. So I would recommend using ImageQuest or Britannica School because they give you the citations. Alright, so those are the two sources that I would suggest that you start with. And then if you are still looking for some additional information, this database is ABC Clio American History. And so you can open this up and you can type in To Kill a Mockingbird into this database. It's going to give you this perspectives article right here, the key question to Kill a Mockingbird, and give you some great information about To Kill a Mockingbird. You click right here on this Cite This Document and you're going to copy and paste this MLA citation right here into your Works Cited page. And then you can always go back and look at any of the other resources that are in here as well and use those. And then you can also put in your search term in this database. And there's going to be lots here. So you may want to start over here on the Perspectives tab and use some of these resources first. And then you may decide what you're looking for. Are you looking for a reference article? Are you looking for a timeline? Are you looking for a photo? And then choose a resource based on what it is that you are looking for. So I want to show you over here. So let's say that you want to use this right here. The MLA citation for this is here, and then you can drag and drop this image into any document that you're using. So images are here as well that you can use in ABC Clio. So that's ABC Clio. So that would be the next one that I would recommend that you go to. I also really like Student Resources in Context. I think this is a great resource for students. It gives you a broad range of sources. And so there, over here, you can click on a specific one if you're looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for a reference, you can click on reference. And when you click on, I highly recommend that you click on these topics over here. So right now I'm in reference. You can click on biographies or images or primary sources or news. But what you're going to notice here is there's different colored symbols next to a lot of the articles. I would suggest starting with the green symboled articles because those are going to give you a nice starter or intro into your topic and give you information at a level that is going to allow you to kind of immerse yourself in the topic initially. Okay, so I would recommend these green resources in any of these that you click on. And then you can also use images from Student Resources in Context because they provide citations as well. So if you wanted to use this image right here, you would click on it and the source citation is right here. You can also click up here on Citation Tools to make sure that it's MLA, copy and paste the citation into your assignment. Now up here you can also sign into Google with this particular database. And once you're signed into Google, you can choose to download and save this image or this article, whatever it is, directly to your Google Drive. Just make sure that you get the citation for it and that you put that in your Works Cited page before you download the actual article or picture. All right, so the last thing that I have in here for you guys is EBSCOhost. I don't know that you'll want to use this, but if you get to the point where you're still looking for information, this might be a good one to use. I recommend that you can either do Explora here and type in your search term. Okay, and then over here you can choose the type of article. The other thing that you can do is you guys can use Student Research Center, and again you can type in your article or your search term right here. Okay, and then you can look at some of these articles that are in here. Okay, and so you can sort by, do you want books and encyclopedias or biographies? So for this one you probably want books and encyclopedias because you're looking for historical information. And then you can also search by subject. So are you looking for information about presidents? Are you looking for information about the New Deal? Are you looking for the economics of the Depression? So you can kind of click on these and then it's going to narrow down the resources for you. Now, to get a citation in this database is a little bit trickier. You have to come up here and you have to go to print. And then you have to make sure that right here it's on MLA right here, and then you just click print again, and you're not actually going to print, so you're going to cancel the print, but then your citation information is right here under where it says works cited. So you can copy and paste this information, including you can also use this permalink right here if you want to have a permanent link back to that resource later. Alright, so those are the resources that I'm going to recommend for this project, and of course if at any time during the project you have any questions or you need any help, you can always email me at lambertn@friscoisd.org, or you can come and see me in the library and I'll be happy to help.